Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, girl, hey, this is Jen Galore. My returning galore babes, hey, I know I've been gone for a minute, but I am back with another wig install, and I know you're going to enjoy this one. This is with a company called Main Concept, and they sent me over their red carpet premiere line. And this wig is a 4x4 HD lace. This is the HD inspired braid lace front wig. I got it in the color 1B, and guess what, ladies? This is 46 inches long. Yes, this is a super long hair braided wig, and I absolutely am in love with it. I've shown you right now some different ways that I went ahead and styled it. Like I said, it's a 4x4 parted lace front wig, and you can maneuver the top a little bit and wear it a variety of different ways as I'm showing you here, but it's absolutely adorable. The braids look amazing. It looked like I went to the salon and got my hair braided, but I'm not going to talk much during this video. I'm going to show you my unboxing of this wig and show you my install, and I hope you enjoy. And head on over to Main Concept, let them know that Jen Galore sent you, and check out all the wigs that they have available. They have a lot of different varieties and different styles of wigs, and I hope you enjoy the rest of this video.
I'm so mature, it got me a therapist to tell me there's other men I ain't doing one night, I just want you. I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other but know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. It got me a therapist to tell me there's other men I ain't doing one night, I just want you. If I can't have you, no one should have mine. I might kill my ex, not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next, how I get here. I might kill my ex, I still love him though. Rather be in jail than alone. I get the sense that it's a lost cause. I get the sense that you might really love her. This text gon' be evidence. This text is evidence. I try to ration with you. No murder's a crime of passion, but damn, you was out of reach. You was at the farmer's market with your perfect peach. Now I'm in the basement, planning on my patient. Now you laying face down, got me saying over a beat. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. And got me a therapist to tell me there's other men I do. One night, I just want you. If I can't have you, no one will. gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. For the both of us, I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the name of love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love. If you ride with me, don't gotta worry for the both of us. You in the driver's seat.